Hey everyone! In this video, see how easily you can switch between List and Kanban views in Togile CRM and choose the layout that works best for your sales flow. Start by navigating to the Lead section from the main menu. This is the List view. Click Filter to apply filters on your lead data. The Filter panel will open, allowing you to filter leads by various conditions. Click the Column selector to customize the visible columns in your table view. Use the Bulk Action menu to apply actions to multiple leads at once. Click any column header to sort the list by that field, either ascending or descending. Switch to Kanban view by clicking the Kanban icon. Use the pipeline drop-down to change between different sales pipelines. To move a lead between stages, simply drag and drop it into another column. For example, drag the lead to the one stage when the deal is closed successfully. Click Update to confirm the stage change. Both List and Kanban views are available for Leads, Deals, and Tasks modules. Use these views based on your preference, for bulk editing or visual stage tracking. That's how simple it is to switch between List and Kanban views inside Togile CRM. Choose the view that fits your style. For more tips and feature walkthroughs, subscribe to our channel and explore the full power of Togile CRM.